Dedicated in my heart, love till death in the name of Pakistan. O martyrs of the path of the truth, an emblem of loyalty, the winds of your land salute you. O martyrs of the path of the truth, O God, those who came to set our nests ablaze, those flames you extinguished with your blood. You saved how many blossoms from becoming orphans? You protected the comings of how many springs of joy? The ambience of flourishing gardens salute you. O martyrs of the path of the truth, when you departed, having sipped the cup of martyrdom, the holy prophet shall have embraced you in his arms. Ali shall have rejoiced with you in your courage. Hussein shall have declared, the contentment of God salutes you. O martyrs of the path of the truth.